Only 2 cups a day for 1 week for a flat stomach. If you surf the internet, you may come across people asking desperate questions. Why do I have belly fat if overall I'm skinny? Why is my stomach flat unless I sit down? You will be surprised if you get to know how common and widespread these problems are. And actually, this isn't something to be taken easily. The thing is, belly fat is much more than just an uncomfortable lump, which makes your jeans stretch uncomfortably. The type of this fat is extremely harmful. It can cause type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and several other extremely unpleasant conditions. Would you like to learn how to make sure your health isn't endangered? How to slim down and get the body of your dreams? Watch this video till the end, and you will find all the answers. We reveal the secrets, you give us a like. Any article will tell you that to lose extra inches around your waist, you need just 2 things: healthy diet and exercising. In general, it's true. Eating healthy means having a balanced diet rich in whole grains, unsaturated fats, vegetables, and fruits. In this case, you have high chances to get and maintain the desired weight, keep your blood sugar levels low, and avoid the risks of heart disease and cancer. Regular moderate exercising in turn can also help with the loss of extra weight, fight health diseases, increase your energy level, and even make your mood better. Look at the statistics. People who exercise daily for an hour, even if it is a simple walk in the park, are 39% less likely to meet the premature end in comparison with those who never did any physical activity. You see, these 2 things are crucial for the shape of your body and its health. But we would like to tell you about something else, something very simple and very effective. Are you aware that there are drinks that can help you to lose unnecessary pounds? One of such drinks is ginger tea. If you drink 1 cup in the morning and another 1 or 2 during the day, it can help you to reach the desired result. How can ginger help you in your task? Let's see. Belly fat is accumulated due to several reasons: overeating, stress, hormone reduction related to the age, lack of exercise. When you eat ginger, you take care of the following problems. Ginger can be used as an assistant for your digestion. It reduces appetite along with regulating blood sugar and cholesterol. Taken before a meal, it has a stimulating effect on metabolism and digestion. What is more, it makes you feel full, and the gnawing feeling of hunger won't disturb you for a longer period of time. If your level of cortisol, the hormone which reacts to the level of stress you are under, is elevated, it can lead to accumulation of belly fat. It turns out that it is very hard to get rid of the fat that appeared due to this reason. Eating ginger will help you to decrease cortisol levels and regain its balance. If you lack the energy to do regular exercises, ginger will help you out. It has an effect that is similar to that of caffeine. It increases your energy level, so it becomes easier for you to exercise efficiently. Other beneficial properties of ginger include metabolism boosting. Ginger is known to speed the metabolism rate up. The faster your metabolism is, the more fat your body burns. Relief for sore muscles. Anti-inflammatory features of ginger help to relieve pain in the muscles after an intensive training. Treatment of different forms of nausea, morning and road sickness in particular. Help with osteoarthritis. According to the research among 247 people suffering from osteoarthritis of the knee, patients drinking extract from ginger felt less pain and needed less pain medication. Now, let's move to the reasons why you should turn drinking ginger tea into an everyday habit. 9. This drink improves the performance of the stomach. It increases absorption of food, fights against constipation, and prevents bloating. 8. It is of great help if a person has problems with the respiratory system, relieving congestion during the common cold. If you have environmental allergies, drink it as well. 7. Ginger tea improves blood circulation. therefore cutting down the chances of cardiovascular diseases. 6. The drink strengthens your immune system. It is possible thanks to the high antioxidants levels in ginger. 5. The tea relieves stress. Its calming property lowers the tension due to its strong spicy aroma and healing qualities. 4. It also helps the body with the absorption of nutrients. 3. If you drink it regularly, the gastric juice production will increase, and it can't be a bad thing. 2. Ginger tea helps to manage the level of glucose in your blood. 1. And last but not least, this drink is perfect in case you want to lose weight. How does it happen? Ginger tea facilitates regular movements of the stomach together with large and small intestines. This way, the food you eat is processed more easily, faster, and overall better. You can rid your body of the results of your digestive system's hard work as soon as possible. Surprisingly, ginger tea raises the temperature of your body, and that by no means is a bad thing. In fact, it increases your metabolism, and you can burn more fat. And once again, it makes you feel full. It is considered to be a great appetite suppressant. If you drink a cup of ginger tea after your meal, you will be less likely prone to go and grab an unhealthy snack. But wait, what if we add some lemon to the drink? Oh, it makes it even better. You will be able to boast flawless, smooth skin. High vitamin content in this combination ensures this. Your hair will become strong and beautiful. Lemons combined with ginger have a lot of vitamin A and C, which stimulate the growth of hair. If you are already super enthusiastic about preparing this magic drink, don't lose time and write down the recipe. And remember to mark the video with a like. What you need to make lemon ginger tea. Ginger root. You should take about 1 to 2 inches, 2.5 to 5 centimeters. 1 lemon. 1 tablespoon of honey. 4 cups of water. As soon as you have all the ingredients the recipe asks for, get down to the process of brewing the tea. Take a teapot and pour the water inside. Boil it for a few minutes and add ginger. Remove the skin from the root with a peeler and chop it in advance. Put the lid on the teapot and let the drink steep for 10 to 15 minutes. After doing it, take the pot away from the stove and remove the ginger. Add the juice squeezed out of the lemon, then honey. Stir the liquid for a while. Here you go! Your super healthy and weight-decreasing drink is ready. You should have a cup of such a drink in the morning, and then enjoy it after every meal at least 2 or 3 more times a day. Combine it with a healthy diet and light exercises, and after 1 week, you will notice a visible result. We hope this video has been helpful for you. Share it with your friends, and write about your weight loss experience in the comments below. Remember to like the video. If it gets 50,000 likes, we will tell you about top 10 easy exercises you can do at home to stay in a great shape.